name is John Cisna, and I'm the junior and senior high science teacher at Colonesco High School here in Colo, Iowa. One of the alarming statistics that's risen its ugly head in this country is that of obesity and weight problems. In the United States alone, 2 out of every 3 people are considered to be overweight. And what's even more alarming is that 1 out of every 3 people in the United States is considered obese. We need to first understand what the factors are that are causing this problem. A lot of them are uncontrollables, such as genetics, but several are very controllable, such as what you eat, where you eat, and how you eat. So that is what we're going to be looking at in this little experiment that we're running with 3 of our individuals from our sophomore biology class. In an effort to identify these variables, we are going to do an experiment. And in this experiment, we are going to use one of the most recognizable names probably on the planet in restaurants, that of McDonald's. Who better to use in this experiment as somebody who basically contributes to the data of being overweight? Me. So we are going to try to replicate the Super Size Me documentary that was done, only do it exactly opposite in the way it was done several years ago. Instead of starting with somebody that is in shape, that is exercising, whose blood work is very good, we're going to start from the other end of the spectrum. Voila, Mr. Cisna.
These are my physical stats from day 1, which will include my weight, my chest, my stomach, and my hips. I will be eating 2,000 calories a day, so I would expect those figures would drop. But the big figures to look at are going to be the blood work.